Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2016 Buick Encore Premium featured in graphite gray metallic with a black interior. Under the hood there's a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated seats, heated steering wheel, power sunroof, Bluetooth, a premium Bose speaker system. Some safety features include forward collision alert, lane departure warning, parking sensors, OnStar, SOS, and much more. Taking a look at the front interior, here's our door. We have a chrome door handle, we have our power lock and unlock, front and rear powered windows, and our powered mirrors. And below that we have our Bose speaker. Just to the side here we have some Buick badging, and to the left of the seat we have memory seating as well as our power seating and power lumbar. Here are the leather seats. We can step inside now. Just to the left when you get inside, there are the lighting controls with the dial. We can go ahead and start up the vehicle. In the middle there's the cluster, and to the right of the steering wheel we have some radio controls as well as our phone controls, and to the left we have our cruise control as well as forward collision alert. Check out the radio here, and we can also check out the navigation. As well as the backup camera. And just below that are the controls for the infotainment screen. And below that we have our climate control as well as our heated seats and our heated steering wheel. Moving down a little bit more, we have our lane departure warning and parking sensors, as well as a 12-volt and a USB as well as aux plug-in. In the middle here we have two cup holders and a storage compartment. Take a look at the rear view mirror, which has OnStar and SOS. And just above that we have some dome lights with our sunroof controls. There's the sunroof, and there's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have color matched mirror caps as well as color matched door handles with a chrome accent. Privacy tint on the rear windows. We can make our way to the back here. Here in the back there's plenty of space. We also have a 60/40 seat split. Have a light back here as well as some storage, and there's also space underneath here for the spare tire. You can also move those seats down for even extra storage as well as a rear storage cover. Checking out the rear interior, here's the door with the same chrome door handle and our powered windows. Here's what the seats look like. We can go ahead and step inside here. We have magazine holders on the back of the seats. Just above here we have the handles as well as a dome light. And just below this we have a 3-prong plug-in. And we can go ahead and check this out here. We just gotta pull it down, and it's an armrest / 2 cup holders. Very comfortable and very spacious. Thank you so much for joining me on this quick review of the 2016 Buick Encore Premium. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.